Hey guys, my name is Roman, and I started a business called Earnify. And what it is it's a solution for publishers to monetize their website, but without advertisements, because those are annoying. And you can read through the documentation, but this is just the tutorial on how to use it. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So, so to start using Earnify, you're going to need a Ravencoin wallet. So we're just going to do that right now. So create a new wallet, password, Earnify. Why not? Oh, Earnify CC. earnify CC. Sure. Awesome. Fan-freaking-tastic. Okay. So we just need a Raven wallet, and I guess I'll explain what a webminer is. So a webminer is like it's a crypto miner, but it's using JavaScript to mine coins, so you can monetize your website. That's kind of like my whole thing, right? Anyways, Raven coin, sure, yes, perfect. So now, now that we've created a Ravencoin wallet, uh, so now that we have a Raven wallet, I'm gonna make a little test website really quick, and I actually have one right here, so we can actually just like copy this. So obviously you're gonna have your real like website code and stuff like that, um, but I'm gonna make this test really quick, and I'll be back. So now that we have our HTML code, we can just go ahead and put our new Raven wallet Ravencoin address here, and obviously you're gonna have your other code. This is just the actual mining script that I created. So this is gonna be the percent of your users' computers that you're gonna be using. So now that we have our sample website here that I created for you guys, that you guys can just test on your own. We can see that since my laptop has 8 threads, and we put 0.2, so that's gonna use 2 for you, 1 for me, because I gotta make a little bit of money, right? Uh, So, as we can see, it is now hashing away, and it is connected. You can see our threads. We can see our that it's taking the miner.js from my website. So it might take a little bit, but you'll get a share. We did only do 2 threads, or 3 threads total, I guess. So it's going to be pretty hard. Oh, we got a hash. Not bad, not bad. Especially for a laptop like this. This is pretty old. I mean, I'm using Linux, by the way. Uh, so of course it's old. Anyways, so we got 1 accepted share. Awesome. Fan-freaking-tastic. I don't know why this is doing that. Okay. Can we see that it's going to smash? Well, I'll be back in like less than 2 minutes, because that's when we should get it'll update on the ZPool. All right, I am back. So we can see here that we have 4 accepted shares. Pretty good. Pretty good. So let's refresh the page and see what it says here. All right, we're actually getting shares. We're actually getting submissions on ZPool, meaning that we will actually be earning some money just from being on a website. Isn't that freaking awesome? So, so you'll probably get your first payout within an hour or so, literally just being on the website um, by yourself, just because the payout minimum is super duper low for Ravencoin. But for coins like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, you can set it to that, and I'll make a tutorial for that as well, obviously. Um, I'll make a tutorial for that as well, which will be awesome. But let's go to back to my website, because that's way cooler. We can actually check your earnings. We can see what crazy. We actually have our miner. We actually are doing it, and we're actually going to make money. There you go. Easy as that. Drop comment, subscribe, etc., etc. You know how it is. Help me, don't help me, stuff like that. Thank you.